Hi guys, here I am again. I want to welcome you to
Florida in flip-flops.
So guys, in this video, you're gonna see a lot of wildlife, from armadillos to different snakes to alligators and raccoons. You're gonna see things like crawling around and flying around. I mean, just incredible, the wildlife we have here. And when I go on my little walks with my family, just to some parks or a lake or a river or a spring, there is just so much wildlife. It's incredible, and I wanted you to see all that. So this is part 1, but please also watch part 2 of this exciting video. And I also want to give you some tips on how to discover these animals. It's not that easy. And I also want to talk about something very important that happens here in the parks at sunset. So, you ready? Watch the video. It's full of adventure. Okay guys, look what I just found. What's that? Are you taking a sunbath? Look, there she is. Stay with Mama. Where are you going, baby? Ooh. Hey. Okay. Have a good day. Please don't bite me.
We just found a black racer. She's like a nest.
Oh yeah. She's all good.
This is so scary.
Just look at her. Maybe she has just eaten. Wow.
Oh, we can easily catch her because she's not even venomous.
How do we know she's not venomous?
She has a circle eye.
You see
And
the
she
round
doesn't-
eyes?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And also she doesn't have like a triangle head. Mommy can go catch
You know
her.
what's her name?
Black racer.
Yeah.
Hey guys, don't be scared. It's not a venomous snake. And I won't kill you.
Let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, when you're walking around, whether you're hiking or you go for a little walk, just listen, look at the movements of the leaves or branches or whatsoever. And when you're walking, especially on a paved road, you see a lot of sticks sometimes, right? That came down from the wind or the storms. But I'm telling you, sometimes they're not sticks. They're snakes, okay? So, and it also takes a little bit of luck, you know? But if you pay attention to the little details, to the little things, it's really cool, okay? Let's go. Look what I just found. Okay, it's not a stick, it is a snake. This is a venomous snake. Rob, do you know the name of this snake?
It's a pygmy rattler.
Pygmy?
Pygmy, like the midgets.
Okay. Alrighty guys, I'll go home and research about this beautiful animal. Look at that. Yeah, she's coming towards me. Isn't nature beautiful? Look how she fits into this camouflage. That's incredible. Where is she? Oh, she's already here? Oh, yeah. Look at that camouflage. Rob, you're gonna scare that poor thing. Yeah. All these guys are picking on that poor thing. That is the cycle of life. Poor raccoon. Who gets the best piece? That's the question. And the guy on the roof. Taking a sun bath while the other ones are eating. Alright.
Look at the otter. He was so fast I couldn't even take a video.
Guys, you see the alligator there? Guys, do you want to see something? Look down. Look down. Guys, look what I just found. You know what that is? It's a black razor. It's a non-venomous snake. But where's that head? Oh, I see the head. Here it is. Look at that. Here she's looking at me. Now we can go pretty close. Look at that pretty thing. It's not scared at all. So what happened to this poor butterfly? Let me check. There is an animal underneath. Come on, baby. Let's see what happens with you. There is nobody underneath you. What happened to your butterfly? Huh? Did somebody cut your wings off or what? Aww. Alright. Let me put you down. Preferably in the grass, maybe. Alright. Well, good luck, my boy. Oh, girl. Okay. So guys, as I was telling you, be patient. There is always something around. I want to show you something. Here at Lake Yola, I found something so cute. Do you want to see it? Let's go down here.
Yep, these guys too take a sunbath. Nice sunbath. There's not much sun out there. Yeah, stretch your leg. So this trip was taking a nice sun bath, even though there is no sun.
at you, baby. I must be tired.
Is that like brother and sister? All these birdies! Oh my god! Guys, what are you waiting for? Waiting for good fish? I'm getting some good food, some burgers and hot dogs. Yes, we know Biden won the election. Yoo-hoo. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh my god, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, guys, look. Here it is, that poor black racer. Just squeezed by a car. Oh well, I guess she was too slow. Why were you too slow? You're a black racer. And the black racers are usually very fast. I'm telling you guys, totally. But I don't know what happened with that guy. Oh well. That's a dead snake, guys. Yeah, poor thing. Was eaten up. Look at that. Okay, guys. That's a non-venomous snake. Dead. Guys, look how pretty that butterfly. So guys, this was part 1, but you know, there is also part 2 of this exciting wildlife. Watch it, watch that video and let me know how you liked it.